Ready, Vignesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are there people?
4 of them are waiting.
All right. Are you recording, Vignesh?
I'm streaming it directly, ma'am.
Okay. Can I start?
Yeah, you can start.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Aysha Viswamohan, your instructor for the course English Language for Competitive Exams. I'm here to respond to some of your queries and any questions you have. You want to talk to me or interact with me. So here we are, and welcome to the course. I'll start taking your questions right away. So we have the first question from Parvati Anil Kumar. If I am preparing for GMAT, what are the areas? Yes, if you are preparing for GMAT, vocabulary and reading should be your main focus. Building up vocabulary, taking care of your grammar. So if you need if you need to pay attention to any grammatical or grammar component, like you must have noticed, Parvati, that we are doing several aspects of grammar: subject verb agreement, simple complex sentences, cohesive devices. So GMAT requires an essay type question, and also they give you some kinds of vocabulary testing kinds of bits, and then also your writing, your reading. So yes, and grammar, of course. So if you go through the lectures, then yes, this course will be of immense benefit to you. It's meant for these international kinds of competitive exams. So if you are preparing for GMAT, you should focus on your grammar, your vocabulary, your reading skills, reading practice, and increase the speed of your reading. Shubhda asks, I'm not able to access the lecture on Swayam. Vignesh, there is a question here. I'm not able to access the lecture on Swayam.
The team to respond to them.
Yeah. Please make a note. Please flag this question. Okay.
Yeah, I'll tell the portal.
Yes, yeah, and tell them. So, Shubhada,
Okay.
we are listening to you, and your concern has been flagged, and the team will take further action. Devi Krishna, how to pick the perfect answer from? Oh, that comes with the practice, Devi Krishna. There are no tricks. Jyoti wants to know what is English learning. English learning is practicing English, developing the various skills of the English language, apart from vocabulary and grammar, which are like the building blocks of the English language. We also, the four skills are listening, speaking, reading, writing, as you know. So this is English learning. Rohini wants to know doubts. I don't know what doubts are those. Rohini, if you can type in, then NPTEL will share with me. Sabri wants to know when class starts? When do the class start? Vignesh, when are we starting the classes?
I'll check and respond.
Okay, we'll flag it. I am a person having maths and science. Vignesh, question is not clear. I am a person having, can you look at it, Vignesh? Question 19, Subrata Banerjee. Okay, I can see. I'm a person having maths and science background. I'm a teacher. English grammar not very good. I'm trying to develop quickly. Have a plan to teach English for competitive. What should be the marks at class to get in so that I can get enough confidence to teach? I'm not too sure. it's a good idea. It's a good thing that you are taking a course like this. However, I'm not too sure what are the marks that you would require. Perhaps, anywhere over 80, if you want to be a teacher, that is. For getting certification, um, minimum marks like 35 to 40 would be pass marks, etc. But if you want to teach, then definitely over 80%. I mean, I'm giving you a very rough calculation. I will respond to Satishwari, an introduction to this, introduction in this course. I think she wants an introduction to this course. So, Satishwari, the course is developed in order to make our Indian students comfortable and confident enough to appear for international exams of English, particularly GMAT and GRE. But it can also be of use to those students who are appearing for Indian exams where their English language abilities would be tested. I am assuming that, banking or there may be some components in our CAT exam. So those students who have opted or who have appeared for this course, English language for competitive exams, they have benefited for that. There's a question, number 29. Sir, can I use simple English words for any exams? Why not? Yes, you can. Question 30. Hamia form. What are we going to learn? Vocabulary of creating sentence. No, this is for preparing students to take international exams that test your English abilities. So you will find that in GRE exam, general exam, there are lots of vocabulary based items. So this course is an attempt to give enough exposure and practice to our Indian students. That's the aim of this. But when your vocabulary develops, when you develop your vocabulary, and that to such an advanced level, naturally you can use them in your sentences also. What topics will we cover? Is this helpful for our future? Your English will improve. That is helpful for your future. What topics will we cover? Except developing your speaking skills, we are going to cover almost everything related to advanced level English language. How to increase, Manish Patil wants to know how to increase vocabulary and grammar for an interview. My answer to all such questions is, yes, you're reading a newspaper for improving it. Very nice. Also watch English language videos, English language programs, and practice. Read a lot, practice. What is the benefit of that e-certificate? Many students use that, and this is the e-certificate, and it serves as an additional qualification which can go on their CVs. Elfin wants to know what is the use of this course. The course is meant for those students who are appearing for international competitive exams where their English skills, English abilities, English language, English language skills are tested. What are the sentence for formation in CA and CMA exams? So if you do this course, your vocabulary will improve, and definitely it will be helpful in CA and other kinds of exams also. Why this course is important for us? For developing your language skills. Even if you're not taking an international English Even if you're not taking an international exam, competitive exam, it's okay. It will help you develop your language skills. Yes, Anilota, I have responded to you. So, yeah, Mahadevi, help to get job. Do you mean this course? Perhaps, yes. If your job requires knowing an advanced level of English, please explain. This course is for those students, especially A, who are appearing for an international competitive exam where their English language skills are tested. B, it helps in those exams, those Indian exams where your English language abilities and skills are tested. Apart from this, it also helps you in becoming a more confident user and learner of the English language. So that's what the course is aiming for. How can we submit our assignment? You can submit your assignments through a link provided by the NPTEL team. All of you are part of a discussion group, and you will get continuous updates about submission of assignments. I can follow the course from first and complete them before the exam, which is conducted on May. And how can I do the previous assignments? No, you cannot do the previous assignments if you have missed them. Chapters for English NPTEL course will be sent through Gmail or no, there are no chapters. There are only videos. We do not have any chapters. Aditi wants to know how to improve confidence. Well, confidence is a very subjective matter. Confidence can come if you are a good communicator. For good communication in any language, you should have good command over the language. Or you should be, very competent in what you do. Whatever is your, perhaps your academics or your, if you are in job, then yeah, you say that you are a student. So perhaps you need communication as a student. And I think that that's what you need, and that's what should be improved. Rekha wants to know how to identify the main idea of a given extract. First thing, read it properly, read it completely, fully, with full attention. And then generally the main idea is given in the very first sentence of the passage of each paragraph. Genova wants to know what will I learn here apart from basic English I have learned. Your vocabulary and your reading skills will improve. If you think you're already good at English, then this course will help develop your vocabulary and your grammatical skills. I have missed my week 1 and week 2 session. So if they are missed, they are missed. We do not take assignments in the back date. Vignesh, there is another question, the concern from Poonam. I'm not getting any video. So please flag this request. I think 1 or 2 people are not getting they're not able to access the video. So please ask the NPTEL team to look into it.
Yes,
Poonam,
ma'am.
we have flagged your concern.
Okay.
The NPTEL team will look into it. There's a question. Exam pattern, it's an MCQ pattern. It's absolutely MCQ. And please keep on submitting the assignments, that's more than enough at the moment. I'm not saying by submitting assignments, your English will become perfect. But what I'm trying to suggest is that you have taken a course, at least take the trouble and take the time out to submit your assignments. And all questions are in the MCQ mode. Please suggest books for reference. Oh, I'm sorry, I cannot suggest books for reference here. The course is enough. But if you want to improve your specific skills, just look them up on the Google, and you will find a number of books for developing specific skills. Rita Srivastav, can you suggest effective ways to expand my vocabulary? Yes, this course will help you. So first start submitting assignments. This is one step towards expanding your vocabulary. Yashika wants to know how to enhance English speaking. Then for that, you'll have to speak English with people, those who are fairly competent users of English. What are some of the common mistakes students make? This is a very general question. What are the common mistakes? They make mistakes in terms of using verbs or subject verb agreement or tenses. So those are the common mistakes. How can they be avoided? See, it's a language skill. Language skill is can best be developed through a lot of practice. And I think I have already responded to what is the best way to improve your vocabulary, speaking, writing. Please practice. How to pass easily in this course? Well, I think you keep on submitting your assignments on time, appear for the end semester exam. Minimum marks shouldn't be that difficult, because a minimum passing marks are generally 35 or something. If you have been submitting your assignments and you take your end semester, then you can pass easily. If you are aiming to get 80%, 75% and above, then you have to work a bit harder. Are there any exams other than GATE to get into IITs? No, I wouldn't know that. For English literature, MA, PhD, IITs for English literature MA. So I don't know how many IITs are offering MA in English literature. I know IIT Madras offers an MA English program. So yes. Suggest any book for English for competitive exams. So this course is a very good medium for practicing English for competitive exams, and a very comprehensive list of books is available on the website of this course at the NPTEL website. Please look it up. Suggest a book for terms related to law. Wouldn't know that, because see, law is another very specific kind of an area. For example, you have medical English for doctors, English for business. So every profession has its own set of very specific kind of terms and needs. So I wouldn't know. I have never taught English to lawyers. So if you only terms related to lawyers, I wouldn't know that. How can we prepare for TRB exam? Please go through the course. I think it will give you at least some kind of exposure for how to prepare for competitive exams. Minimum passing criteria, as I already mentioned, please submit assignments and appear for the exam. That is the minimum criteria for this. How can I improve my ability to do reading? So you have to read a lot. And Gomati, you have been asking too many questions. I think I have responded to most of your questions. So if there are other students who would like to ask questions, please type in. I have responded to practically all questions from Gomati from here. That's okay. Yeah, I get confused to pronounce words properly. Kindly suggest. Again, practice. Pronunciation cannot be taught unless and until you are going to a specific program for improving your spoken English or speaking skills. So just by appearing for taking a course like this course, it's not going to help in improving your accent, your speaking skills and your pronunciation. Pronunciation can also improve if you watch a lot of English language programs, videos, films, news channels, etc. You can keep on submitting your assignments. All assignments you will find are MCQ based. Hussain Safi, no, we don't do IELTS training. I don't know anything about. I know something about GRE and GATE kinds of exams. Because I had appeared for them, I wouldn't because IELTS is another very specific kind of exam. There's a lot of focus on speaking also, I suppose. So they do not test you for your specifically. They do not test you for your vocabulary. GRE and GMAT do that. So I don't think I cannot give you any kind of commitment about this exam. How to prepare for banking exam? I think this course will help you in developing your vocabulary, grammar, and also your reading skills. That should be enough for you. How the impact of this course regards to move to replace your grades? I don't even understand the question. What is the meaning of this question? Will this course help me in preparing for my SET exams? Okay, I suppose so. Yes, it will. It should. Yeah, that's a good question. So SET, yeah, definitely you will find uh, if you take this course, then you will be more confident when you appear for your SET exams. Although SET may be having a different kind of syllabus, but this course will definitely help. Right, Meher? So, my advice to you is this, that the course has just started. Some of you have already missed your assignments. Please keep submitting your assignments on time very regularly. Do not write to me that you missed your submitting your assignment. Now help me. I won't be able to help you. This is NPTEL just closes the link and that's about it. So approaching me won't help. I have no I cannot interfere in the procedures. But please keep submitting your assignments on time and appear for the end semester. And all assignments and the end semester, they are of MCQ type. At which level will we will get to understand, like from A1, C1? No, I do not know. Please focus on the course. At which level you are going to reach of A1 or C1? This I wouldn't know. We are not doing that kind of training, right? So this is not a very relevant question for us. One advice I can give you, practice a lot. If you are serious about improving your English language, practice a lot. You have to read. You have to read and you have to watch videos and news channels, maybe movies. And that's how you will be able to improve your, let's say, listening skills, perhaps your pronunciation. Read a lot. It will help your reading skills. It will help your grammar and vocabulary. I need to look at dictionary. It's okay, Chetan. You are a student. If you are cultivating the habit of looking at dictionary, it's a very good practice. So don't get unnerved, don't get discouraged because you don't understand some certain words. It's all right to look up the meanings of some words. So not, and it will take time, and you don't have to worry about it. It's not a problem that needs improvement. It's a very positive sign. It means you are trying to learn. That's how everybody learns. So if you're looking up a dictionary, even if it slows down your reading, it's all right. But it will help you learn a new word. So good. You're doing the right thing. Okay, so if you don't have any further questions, we'll call it a day. Remember, we are going to have two more meetings, similar meetings. So by then, if you have any specific queries, you're welcome to ask me. So we will meet uh, again 2 times more after this meeting. In the meantime, please keep submitting your assignments. How to improve vocabulary? By reading a lot. That's the only way to improve your vocabulary. If you read a lot, uh, you will find that after a point, your vocabulary automatically starts getting better. Okay, so here's the question. I'm a topper in technical English for engineer in the previous semester. And thank you. Thank you. Good. Nice. Gautam, if you have any question for me, you can let me know. Otherwise, we can call it a day. Anyone, if you have any question? I repeat, please keep submitting your assignments on time, and all assignments, and including your end semester exam, they are MCQ types. You don't have to write any essay for that, for any of the exams here. All right. Thanks a lot for joining. We'll meet again next month. In the meantime, please keep watching the videos and submitting your assignments. Thanks a lot for joining. Bye-bye. Mr. Vignesh, I'm signing off.
Okay, ma'am. I have closed the live.
Ha.
Hello everyone, welcome back.